إن الحمد لله ثم الصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى أهله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فالسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome everyone once again to Halal Dollars free training and coaching program. Inshallah, today we are going to be showing you how to get local clients using directories. Now, what we'll be needing are first WhatsApp account. So the WhatsApp account we'll be needing is going to be a new WhatsApp account that will be dedicated for this purpose. So the second thing we'll be needing is businesslists.com.ng. So this is the directory where we'll be seeing businesses. So these businesses, we are going to be reaching out to them and be offering our website services to them. And the second directory is confirmed.ng. Confirmed.ng actually has a stronghold at Abuja. They just started including Lagos. So we are going to implement all of this now. So we go to businesslists.com.ng. So these are the niches, so you can always search for it here. So but in my case, I already have restaurants here, so I'll click on it, and I can also search for it here, restaurants. So any of them is fine. So these are restaurants in Nigeria, and if you can also restrict the location too. So if you go back to their home page, you can also write restaurant, for example, and you can write Nigeria in Lagos. So that way it gives you a more restricted search. Or you can write restaurant so these are examples. So we have a long list here, so of different restaurants, so in Lagos. So you can see over 400 companies that are restaurants in Lagos. So if I go back again and I search for maybe restaurant in Abuja, so it's going to populate it again. So you can see these are Abuja restaurants. You can see it. So if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the amount. So 343 of companies. So these are all people we are going to be pitching to locally. The reason is that we'll be able to find their phone numbers here, and it's their phone numbers we are going to communicate to them with via WhatsApp. So now that is done, so I'm just going to pick someone. So let's just pick someone here. So if I pick this Macroriano restaurant, so you go to their website to see if they have a website. So if they don't have a website, then it means they're viable, or sometimes their website will not be going. So these ones have a good website, so they're not going to be those we are looking for. So we'll go back again. Okay, so let's try Bamboo Kitchen. So we'll check if they have a website. So they don't have a website. All they have is if their phone numbers, their address. So if you scroll down, you see their description and what they offer. So this is a very perfect example. So what you're going to do is you're going to duplicate the websites that we have already created for Bamboo Kitchen, just the way we created it for the other restaurants. You're going to duplicate it for them now. So now the second thing you're going to do is you're going to search for them on Google. So the reason for this is we want to check if they have, so in this case it is Abuja. So we want to check if they have a presence on Facebook or on Instagram. So you can see that they have an Instagram presence and they also have a Facebook presence. So this is beautiful. This person is on Facebook, is on Instagram too. So you can see that it's on Instagram. So when we have them present on Facebook and on Instagram, so you should prefer Facebook over Instagram. So you send them message on Facebook. If they are on Instagram alone and they are not on Facebook, so you send them message on Instagram. However, if they are not on Facebook and they are not on Instagram, then you send them message via WhatsApp. If they are not available on WhatsApp, then you send them message via SMS. So now there's something I really want to explain here. You know, when we're pitching using on Facebook in the previous classes, we add a template for them. You observe that template, we added the your Facebook username. So in this template, you are not going to have your Facebook username. So whenever you want to use this template, you would have to actually duplicate the website and create the website for them. However, whenever you want to use that other template, you don't need to create a website for them. Do you understand? One could work better for a niche and might not work better for another niche. So you need to split test to know which is better. You can say maybe for this week, all my Facebook prospects, I'm going to be using the first method, which is I'm just going to be using my profile link to send the messages to them. And maybe the upcoming week, so all the people I'm going to be sending to, we are going to be sending 20 Facebook. So all the people, and that will be 100 in a week if you are working from Monday to Friday. So you can now say for next week, all the people I'm going to be pitching to, I'm going to be using my portfolio, which is I'm going to be designing for them. Do you understand? Designing a free sample for them and sending it for them. So you check which performs better and you'll be able to know what to use. However, if this person is not on Facebook, is not on Instagram, do you understand? And you have to pitch to him only via WhatsApp, you must design the website for him. Do you understand this? So because they won't be able to access your social proof, they won't be able to access your past work to be convinced. Hope what we are saying is clear. So in the case of this person, so we can decide to use either the first one or this second one. However, let's check out the template. So for this second one, we can see that okay, we say I, so it's quite similar to what we've done before. There are just a little differences. So I, the person's name in this case is going to be Bamboo Kitchen. You may know me and you may not. So in my case, Yusuf. I help restaurant owners make more sales with the power of modern website design using HBoot method. I have been issued a strong challenge in this community I'm a part of to help 20 restaurant owners to build or rebuild their websites this month. Fortunately, your restaurant is the top on the list. I have created this modern and beautiful website for you. Kindly check it out and let me know your thoughts. Best regards, Yusuf. So in this case, this is what you send the first day. On the third day, this is what you send. I, Bamboo Kitchen. If you are interested in boosting your sales with the power of the modern and responsive website, then the website I made for you is the main catalyst. I have considered the HBoot method and strategy developed by the top marketing experts in building it. I want to transfer it to you now so that it links to your business name, which in this case is going to be bamboorestaurant.com, their restaurant name. So are you available now? So if they don't respond after the 7th day, then you send them this. Bamboo Restaurant. It looks like this is not something that is high on your priority list right now, which is perfectly okay. I'd imagine you have a lot of projects competing for your time and resources. If you are interested in the sales boosting website for your restaurant, please let me know. because if the website remains unclaimed for the next 3 days, it will be deleted and the opportunity will be given to your closest competitor. So now that this is properly understood, so in the case of Bamboo Kitchen, when we want to message them, we're going to start messaging them on what? Facebook. So if they don't respond to us on Facebook, then we'll go to their WhatsApp, and if they don't if we can't find their number on WhatsApp, then we'll use text message. However, if they don't respond to us on WhatsApp, on WhatsApp you can track whether they've read the message. If they've read your message and they didn't respond to you, what you're going to just do is what? You back out. Do you understand? You back out and you move to other people. So we are going to also be sending, so for the ones of the directories, we are going to be sending 10 of them. So we'll be sending 20 on Facebook, 20 on Instagram, and 10 on directories. That makes 50 of them on a daily basis. So this is what we're going to be doing. So now that this is properly understood, we'll be moving to our assignment for the day. So our assignment is that we're going to search for businesses that may need our services using businesslist.com.ng. So we're also going to be using confirmed.ng too. So it's very similar to this, confirmed.ng. So however, just as I said, confirmed.ng have more. So you can see that they have over 1,000 listings in Abuja alone, and they just have 87 listings in Lagos. So that's why I said that they don't have much ground in Lagos yet. So if I search for restaurants, so we'll see quite a number of them here. So this one, so their numbers are here. So they have 124. So you can just pick any of them. This 825 restaurant, for example. So what you just check out for is what we've checked out for before. So you can see 825 restaurants. They don't have anything we can communicate to them with. Do you understand? So we don't have a number here, and we don't have anything that we can communicate with. But we just use 825. We copy it. We search for it on Google. And you add Abuja to it. So you can see we already have their phone number here. So I will check if their 825 restaurants appears to have a website from what I can see here. So 805 has a website, so we won't be able to pitch to them. So what I'm just trying to say basically is, if you don't find anything under any of the as much information, just Google it. So this is how you can use confirm.ng too. So let's go back to our assignment. So for the assignment, our daily task is to send 10 direct messages to those that we've met under our from businesslist.com or confirmed.ng, any of those two directories. So at least 10 DMs. So that means 10 from your confirmed.ng/businesslist.com, any of them. So you send 10. You also send 20 on Facebook and 20 on Instagram. As for Instagram, inshallah, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. But as it stands, you'll be sending 30 of them. So this is something that is very easy. We ask that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes it profitable and it bless our affairs, and it makes it from the things that will be source of good for us in this life and in the hereafter. Let's try to put in the effort. If we can put in the effort, wallahi we would see results. So let's put in the effort. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik, nashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.